With IN Wayfinding Virtual Assistant, it becomes really easy to find your way in any hospital. Choose your destination by typing its name, or by searching for it in the directory. Once the destination is selected, the trajectory is automatically displayed on the screen. Then you can enter your phone number and receive the itinerary by text message, or you can scan the QR code on the kiosk. Once the application opens on your phone, simply follow the step-by-step instructions. To easily find your way, you can use the 360-degree view feature and follow the arrow. You can then move on to the next step. If you are not near an interactive orientation kiosk, QR codes are displayed throughout the hospital to allow you to access the application and all its features. This simple tool will help you reach your destination easily.